i35equipment.com. This is a case CX330 excavator. This machine runs and operates excellent. Be a great machine to have on the farm or ranch, or if you need to get some big jobs done on the construction site. It's got the power and size to make it happen. If you would like to come out and look at it over for yourself, we welcome you to do that. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you. We're open by appointment only and it's shown by appointment only, so please just call and get on the calendar and to make sure it's still here. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers at a nationwide broker. Get back with the best rate that comes to us. Or you can arrange for your own freight, or can pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Machine sounds to be running really well. Like I said though, always looking for you to come look it over for yourself. Relatively low hours and really good undercarriage. Lots of height on those pads still. It does have dual travel speeds for getting across the job site or across the farm pasture. That's a 60-inch bucket with over a 2-yard capacity on it, so if you want to move some big loads, fill up some dump trucks, that's a good one to do it with. We do have a large inventory of new and used buckets. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory at www.i35equipment.com/buckets. If there's a different kind of bucket you're looking for, we may just have what you need. Does have working windshield wipers and dual front work lights. Got the work lights turned on there for you. Let's take a look at this bucket and look over at the motor and everything else and let him have an opportunity to climb out. Then we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. Bucket does have 6 teeth. Like I said, excellent capacity for cleaning out ponds. That's a good option as well. Rear hoop on there if you need to hook up a chain to move something around. There's your storage space under the step there. go by. Slippery out today. Batteries. I'm going to zoom on out to the fisheye lens. May distort just a little bit, but give you a real good view of the interior. It does have the case factory seat in it. Showing us that the engine's idling. Let's see. I'm going to hop all the way up in here. Heat, throttle, work modes, work lights, like I said, a working windshield wiper. Sitting at only 5,119 hours. Spin her out here. I hear the radio. I don't know that it's tuned in or anything. Let me take a look here. FM. You see it changing. I'm not hearing maybe just static at the time. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full updated for you online at www.i35equipment.com. Hope you have a great day.